everyone, Becca here, and today we have some goodies. I've been waiting for this forever, okay? 10 days to be exact. We have the Pac-Man kits. This is the Shine kit. It comes with the palette, the eyeshadow brush, and the blush lighter. Is it called the blush lighter? Yeah, blush lighter. And we have the powder kit, which comes with the powder brush and the bronzer.
Can I see it real quick?
Doesn't it look cute?
Just like everything in Pac-Man.
I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. Oh, that feels amazing. I'm going to use this Almay 5-in-1 primer. Now, I used this yesterday. I actually liked it, and my makeup looked pretty good yesterday. But it comes out green. It does a little color correcting. It refines, corrects, perfects, and hydrates. So first I'm going to go in with the Skin Refine Zone. Oh. Thanks. I'm going to go in with the Ole Henriksen Bright Eye Banana Cream. Go in with a tiny bit of this Dior Backstage. So this is in 3N, which used to be really dark for me. I've decided I'm gonna take back the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. It's not that great. It's patchy, too stark white. I wish they would have went with a natural color or gave you more of a selection of shades. The Covergirl TruBlend Undercover in Perfect Beige. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime pen first. It's just more like a color corrector for me. Nothing crazy. I'm not used to. Yeah, I'm not crazy about this concealer. I was trying to give it a fair shot, and yesterday I thought it looked really good, but it's just, it creases like crazy. And then it's really thick. Crazy about this concealer, so it's more than likely gonna go back to Walmart. Studio Flawless. I'm gonna add a pinch of this BareMinerals BareSkin. This stuff is super hydrating, but I feel like I'm just a tad bit too dark under the eyes. But this is actually light. Can you believe it? It has the best curls. Turn around. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and set to go ahead and use my Jeffree Star powder. And this is in Fair. Yes, that is what I wanted. It did not look like this yesterday. It looked so cakey.
I can open these if you want me to. It's fine though. She's not bothering me or anything.
I just want to know what she's going on about. Like, I can literally hear her in there going on about something.
Sister.
Oh, sister to sister.
What do I put them?
I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Okay, thank you, babe. Oh, thank you. Oh, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Makeup Forever powder in 3R370, which I like. This is the Pac-Man, upside down, Pac-Man Game Over color palette. So that's what that looks like. I don't even know where to begin with this. So here is the eyeshadow brush. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna start with the brown shade. It doesn't have a name, there's no names, so I'm just gonna say brown. And we'll see how that translates on the lid. Look at this shade right here. Like, what could that possibly look? Usually toppers aren't that colorful, but I'm gonna take that yellow and just tap that in. Do you lose something?
Earbuds. I can't find them.
Are they in the car? I'm going to add this blue right here. Use. So I'm going to take this shadow brush by Smith Cosmetics. I'm going to bronze, and this is the powder, I can't even speak, the Power Pellets. They was getting a lot of flack over this. People were up in arms. It's misleading. You have like a full jar and you only have like 12 pellets. Actually, it's false advertisement. Let's get the little spongy. So this comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mine comes with 13. Give it a little dippy dip. Whoa. I don't know if I'm underestimating this bronzer, but I'm about to see. Oh, it's definitely shimmery. I don't mind the shimmer, but I don't want it to be just shimmer. So I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, the MAC Electric Wonders palette in Sun Soaked Stripped. I'm not going to bang my brush on this because it's just too precious to me right now. Go in with my Fenty bronzer to add some warmth. I love this brush. Look at this. Look at this. And just dip back in there. Okay, excuse me. Didn't want to put that there, but oh my goodness, that looks so good. So we're gonna do the blush. This is just gorgeous. I was about to say 500, but all right, this blush, I love it. Going with this one because it's just so pretty. I love these. These are so good. What's this called? I know this is called a blush lighter. It doesn't even have mica in it. It's interesting. But I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara and stuff. This is the Givenchy Volume Disturbia. See that? Separation. Oh. Ultra Fun Glow Mist Spray. Spray. Now there's 12 balls in here. This is the Sigma tapered highlighting brush. This is my absolute favorite brush to use for highlighting. So this is called the blush lighter, but we know it's a highlighter. And we're going to treat it as such. Show you this. These are so hard to find. Oh, so these are the Almay Velvet Foil Cream Shadow. This is in Golden Vibes. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the foil shadow, put it on the center of my lid. Wow. Oh my goodness. And then while that's still semi-damp, I'm going to take that shimmery shade. I'm gonna take that white shade or that shimmery shade and make it pop more. Okay, we just need to do lips and I'll be done. It's called Mystic Powers. It's kind of got like the orangey feel to it. That's what I was looking for. So that's it. These are amazing. Like, I put it on and it just added that pop that I needed. It's gorgeous. See you guys on the next one. Bye.